Hi there, my name is Sandra Solomon and this is my fragrance channel. Welcome here, and if you're not already a subscriber, I would be so happy if you subscribe. This is a review of Armaf Niche Oud. This is a fragrance that I bought because I had read very good things about it. I really like Armaf as a perfume house. They make really good fragrances. I have bought many from them that are quite cheap but smells very luxurious and with good quality. So my expectations for this one was quite high. So let's see what we get here. I would say that this is mostly an amber and spicy fragrance. I do think that the name Oud is quite strange because it doesn't smell anything of oud, and as far as I can see, it doesn't even contain any oud. However, it is a good fragrance, and it's a masculine one that I think that many men will like. I think it's one that is not in people's face. It just smells very masculine and nice. For the price, this is definitely a good fragrance. I think I paid like 30 bucks or something. I would actually say that this kind of reminds me of Bentley for Men Intense. So if you do like that one, the probability that you will like this one is quite high, since they are quite similar. So when can a man wear this? I would say going to work, going to the gym, just going out with friends, or just going out for a walk. I maybe wouldn't take it for a date because it's not so unique that I think that a fragrance should be if you are going to a date. When I go to date, or when I'm meeting someone up for a date, I really want them to smell unique and of course really, really good. This is not unique enough to wear to a date. So this is, I'm guessing, Armaf's more exclusive line, even though it's still cheap. So how is the performance? I think the performance is quite good. It actually stays on for quite long and it projects pretty well. This is, I would say, also perfect for layering with other fragrances. You can have this as a beautiful base and then add something else to it to make it better. Since this is not so unique, you just add something and maybe you have created your own unique fragrance by doing that. So who is this for? I would say that I usually don't put numbers on fragrances, but I think this is more for a mature man, not a young man. I think it smells very masculine, quite mature, and that's why I think that this is maybe for men 25 and up. Please do comment if you are of any other opinion about this one. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I would. This is a fragrance that I wasn't impressed with when I bought it, but then when I got home and tried it a little bit more, I felt that this is a really good fragrance that you can get pretty cheap. The performance is really good and you can layer it with others, you can use it on a daily basis, it won't offend anyone, and you will definitely smell good. Is this one of the best from Armaf? No, it's not one of their best. It's a good one. They do have Club de Nuit Men Intense in their collection, and that is like one of the best for men. If that gets 5 out of 5, I would say that this gets a 3 out of 5. That was my review of Armaf Niche Oud. This is not an oud fragrance, this is an amber and spicy fragrance. So if you like amber spicy fragrance, kind of like Bentley for Men Intense, this is one that you might also enjoy. Don't buy it if you are looking for an oud fragrance like I did, because you will be disappointed. This doesn't smell of oud. Please like this video, tell me in the comments what you think about this one, and I hope I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.